to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm making some fajita chicken wings. So I'm gonna use half of this onion, and instead of bell peppers, I'm gonna use a serrano pepper. I'm gonna take all the seeds out of it and then I'm gonna chop it up. Let's get started. These are the chicken wings that I'm gonna use today. I just marinated them in some salt and some garlic overnight. So now I'm gonna add the other ingredients to it. Now you don't have to do the overnight if you don't like to. You can just do it the same day, but I find that marinating my chicken overnight, it makes it taste even better. So let me go ahead and cut up the chicken wings. Okay, I'm gonna prepare my fajita seasoning so that you can see what I put in my seasoning, and then I'm gonna add some to the chicken. 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper, half a packet of stevia, a teaspoon of cinnamon. And the reason I'm adding cinnamon to it because I'm trying to keep it keto. I'm not using brown sugar. I'm just trying to take the sugar and the starch out of the seasoning. 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of sea salt. So we're going to mix that together. Now you have a fajita mix to use on anything, but today we're going to use it on chicken wings. See my chicken wings here. I've cut them all up. I even kept the little tips. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of this mix on these wings here. Mix that on the wings. And I'll add 1 more tablespoon. And let's mix that together. Okay, so we're gonna grab our peppers and everything, add them there, and kind of mix them with the chicken so that the seasoning will get on all of the onions and peppers. I added some pepper flakes to the chicken and some oregano. You can add the oregano to the regular spice mix that I gave you earlier. And if you don't want to add the pepper flakes, you don't have to if you don't like spicy food, but we do. Okay, all right. Okay, I've added them to the baking sheet, and I'm gonna add oil on the top of it, just a little bit, and that'll be grapeseed oil. Okay, I'm gonna place them in a 350-degree oven for 60 minutes. I just took these out of the oven. Smell delicious, look delicious. And I'm gonna have to try one. Oh, that's hot. Wow, so hot. Oh, I'm burning my mouth. Oh, I'm burning my mouth. It is so good. Yummy. You gotta try this fajita chicken wing recipe. Awesome.